Hey everyone! Today I got my weekly subscription box of Graze, and I actually kind of forgot about it. So when I got out there, I was like, "Yay, box!" So here's my box, Graze. And funny story, I had a bee in the house, and I might have hit the bee with my Graze box, but apparently I missed it, so no harm. Anyways, opening my box. Wow, that is a big berry. Check this out. It's like a big raspberry. It's the biggest raspberry I have ever seen. Wow. Okay. Says, hi Jen, this is your eight variety snacks with benefits. Snacks with benefits. Okay. So then once again, I have coupons for get your first and free Graze box for free, which as of right now I don't use them. If anyone wants to get a coupon, just leave me a message below and I'll give you my code. So let's see. Looks like in this box, because it's not the sample box, you actually get to try 8 different types of snacks instead of 4. So the first one that I'm going to try and show you is going to be the Summer Berry Flapjack. Rustic rolled oat flapjack with berry infused cranberries. Interesting. See? Here's what it looks like. Looks there about 3 in this container. So I would think they're going to be similar to the ones I had before, and with it being the apple cinnamon flapjacks. They're kind of like of a granola bar. See, they have granola, cranberries. It's very, very moist. Yep, really good. Sorry. So, interesting. Hold on. Let me go let the dog in. Mom? Okay. Sorry. Next we have kettle kern pops. Sweet and salty popped corn kernels. Here's what they look like. Corn kernels. It's just like a popped corn kernel. Interesting. It's like the kernels you get that are at the bottom of the bag. The ones that have like kind of popped and haven't popped. And these actually have like a sweet, kind of salty flavor to them. But they're not like the break your teeth type of kern pops. Tongue twister. Alright, next we have the cheese board. This is a really cute picture of like a little cheese board. Check that out. Sure, it's not too. Is that cute? It's so cute. It has cheese cashews, cheese croutons, and herb crackers. Try a little bit of that. So here, these are the cheese croutons. Oh no, those are herb crackers. Sorry. This is the crouton, and then this is the cheese cashew, which we had in one of the previous mixes, and those are pretty good. So, next we have salted fudge and peanut cookie, and it looks like it's a like a deconstructed snack mix. Here's what it looks like. Actually looks really good. It has salted peanuts, red skin peanuts, vanilla fudge, and mini chocolate cookies. Oh, look at the cookies. Cookies are so small, so tiny. It's like you want to put a little smiley face on them. And let's eat a few of these together. Like a peanut and a cookie and a little vanilla fudge. Put it all together. Let's try this. Very interesting. Like you get that salted fudge taste, although it's in the deconstructed. I like that. That's pretty good. Alright. Here are the next four. There is Scrumptious Berry Swirl. It's blueberry yogurt raisins, cranberry raisins, and black currants. This looks really good. Really good. And here's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a whole bunch of fruit. It's dried fruits, so dried black currants, and the here's what the blueberry yogurt raisin looks like. It's really good. Oh my gosh. This is definitely my favorite so far. The Scrumptious Blueberry Swirl. Really good. Alright, next. We have the deconstructed carrot cake. Carrot chews, cinnamon raisins, ginger fudge, and walnuts. So here's what the mix looks like all together. Just kind of have, you know, fruit and the walnuts. It's got the carrot cake thing. Just kind of grab little bits of this one, throw this together, and see how this tastes. That one's really good too. And I have two more left. One is the herby bread basket, basil baguette, cinnamon, garlic crostini, and a regular rice cracker. Oh, I'm gonna spill that everywhere. Here's what this one looks like. It looks like it's all dusted with herbs. Here's one of the little breadsticks look like. It's alright. And last but not least, we have super kale and edamame with chia seeds, cashew butter, and a twist of lime. I know a few people that would love this because they are kale fans. I'm a kale fan. Kale is awesome. And then here's what this mix looks like. It's very green, happy green. Wow, that's a big piece of kale. Piece of kale. That one's really good too. And then, interesting. At the very bottom, I got a Drink Smarter, Make a Difference. $100 wine voucher from nakedwines.com. That's interesting. Get any $100 off any case of wine priced at $160 and more. I'm not a huge wine person, but maybe one of my family members can use this. It says special treat for customers of Graze. That's nice. Anyways, that is the end of this video for today. If you want to keep getting more of my videos and see what I'm up to doing, just hit the subscribe button. Also, like it down below. And if you got any questions, comments, I'm working on finding ways to make my videos better, to put music in them, and maybe little smiley faces or something. But I'm still very new to this. It is still very exciting for me. So I will see everybody later. Bye!